Hi, my name is Amira. I am part of the customer success team at Zenphi. Today I would like to show you around our newly refreshed interface. At Zenphi we strive to simplify your automation journey. Based on feedback from our customers, we heard loud and clear that you would like to have all the tools related to a process in one place. Introducing Spaces. Spaces are an easy way to organize and manage all assets related to a process. You will now find flows, tables, dashboards, and AI models in one space. Previously, the structure of your workspace looked somewhat like this. Inside your workspace, you had multiple flows, tables, apps, and AI models. It was difficult to make connections between those items that are related to one process. Now, with the new structure, organizing your processes is a breeze. Space is a container for all the assets related to a process. For example, expense approval space can include multiple flows, such as a Google form submission, document generation, multiple AI models along with tables and dashboards. Settings is a section inside the space that will store everything to help you build your processes. It is here you will find flows, tables, and AI models that all pertain to that space. To see the full list of the flows, tables, and AI models, simply click on the left sidebar. You'll have one temporal space called Default Space, where all your existing work is stored. Now, you can create new spaces and move your objects from the default space to your newly created spaces. There are 3 steps to create a new space. To get started, click on to Create New Space for the first step. For the second step, click on the flows or objects you want to move. Finally, click on the link icon located in the upper right corner of the workspace. Please note that flows can only be connected to one space. Tables can be shared among multiple spaces. Dashboards can be connected to one space. AI models can be connected to one space. The dashboard is the new name for the app's functionality. There are almost no changes in how they work. A few things to note. The list of the dashboards is now located in the left sidebar where you can easily find them. You can now switch between the dashboards without leaving a space. We hope the navigation between the important data will be much faster and more comfortable for you. Connections have moved from the main menu to Settings. Recent runs have moved from the main menu to Settings. Vaults have moved from the main menu to Settings. Tasks allow you to quickly see all the tasks, requests, and data that have been assigned to you across all the flows and spaces. Gone are the days of flipping between multiple screens to find the information you need. This concludes today's presentation. If you need any support using the new interface, we'll be happy to assist you. Simply, drop us an email to support@zenphi.com. We would love to hear what you think of the new user experience. Join the discussion at discuss.zenphi.com and tell us what you think. From all of us at Zenphi, thank you for allowing us to help you write your Google Workspace automation story. Have a great day.